Huingyin, the hometown of molds, along the golden coastline of Zhejiang. It's renowned not only as a guardian of historical culture, but also as a pioneer in the modern mold industry. Recognized as the mold hometown of China, it stands as an undisputed hub for mold manufacturing. Hongmei Mold Factory area is about 4,000 square meters. Injection molding plant area is about 5,000 square meters, committed to providing global clients with professional and comprehensive injection molding solutions. Hongmei fosters efficient collaboration through team adhering to the principles of customer first, quality as foundation. We mainly manufacture automotive exterior molds and automotive grill mold, motorcycle parts mold, electric tricycle mold, air cooler mold, washing machine mold, water dispenser mold, crate mold. To meet growing demands for plastic injection molding, custom molding, prototype molding, mold inserts, and embedded components, we are continuing to expand our services, improve technical support, and update and import advanced technology and equipment. We strive for excellence in every process and at every step. We keep innovating and are not afraid of challenges. We use molds to illuminate every detail of life. The pursuit of perfection stems from our persistence in details. After years of development, Hongmei has become a high-quality and comprehensive service plastic mold production enterprise. It is in line with injection molding production and processing enterprises and will continue to grow. We offer products injection mass production, product R&D, plastic overmolding, mold tool fittings, CNC machining service, rapid prototyping, etc. Realize the whole process of digital development and efficient manufacturing of molds. More than 20 injection machines operate throughout the day for mold test and mass production, operated by experienced injection molding workers, ranging from household appliances to automotive parts, from daily necessity to baby and children's products, from medical devices to industrial products. We always meet customers' expectations for quality and delivery. From drinking more healthily to using products more comfortably, from having more convenient operation to providing more considerate services, from driving more safely to having more humanized design. Operators who have received ISO certified training continuously practice the 5S methodology, a business and service network that targets the global market, is being launched in an orderly manner. Hongmei Molding, dedication with all heart, devotion with all soul, lighting up the beauty of life.